Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two amazing microphones that are perfect for various recording needs. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this. Alright, let's dive into the comparison. When it comes to design and portability, both microphones offer great features. The mini microphone is incredibly small, measuring only 58 millimeters, making it easy to carry and store. It comes in a variety of vibrant colors to suit your personal style. On the other hand, the TECURS USB microphone is equipped with a stable tripod stand, allowing you to adjust the angle and height according to your preferences. It's a perfect choice for live streaming or recording situations where you need stability. Sound quality is crucial for any microphone, and both these products excel in this aspect. The mini microphone may be small, but it offers an omnidirectional pickup pattern and a noise reduction system that captures clear and loud sound. Its sturdy aluminum alloy build ensures durability, leading to a high-fidelity recording. On the other hand, the TECURS USB microphone boasts professional sound quality with its built-in sound chipset, cardioid pickup pattern, and a wide-frequency response. It performs exceptionally well in reproducing your voice with great clarity and smoothness. Let's talk about the additional features that these microphones offer. The mini microphone does not require a battery and can be used with most mobile phones. It's not limited by time or space, making it a convenient option for recording on the go. However, it's important to note that when using it with an Android smartphone, you can only listen after recording, while with an iOS system, you can hear the effect while recording. On the other hand, the TECURS USB microphone features a one-touch mute button, allowing you to conveniently mute the microphone anytime you need. It also has a gain knob for volume control and a headphone jack for efficient voice monitoring. Now let's discuss the price difference between the two. The mini microphone is incredibly budget-friendly, with a price tag of just $0. Yes, you heard it right, it's absolutely free. On the other hand, the TECURS USB microphone comes at a price of $49. Considering its professional sound quality and additional features, it offers great value for the price. And there you have it. We've compared these two fantastic microphones across various categories. The mini microphone is a compact and colorful option that delivers clear and loud sound, while the TECURS USB microphone offers professional sound quality and additional features like the one-touch mute button and headphone monitoring. Depending on your specific needs and budget, both microphones have their own advantages. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.